So when we first moved on the farm, we were in the backside of the farmhouse, and I remember hearing rustling at 4 in the morning, and my Uncle Norman, I'm assuming it's Uncle Norman, went down to the dairy parlor and was milking cows. And then I would go down there and get this little, I guess, 2-gallon little metal jug with a little top on it, and bring that up to Grandma to store it in the house. And when he finished milking all the cows and then cleaning the dairy barn, he came up and we would eat breakfast. And of course, early on, I was too young to go to school, but my brothers would get up and go to school. So but that dairy barn, they stopped using it, but it was a great play area. It had the second floor was all hay, and the bottom floor, which was with the dairy barn, and we had slides between floors. It was 3 stories tall. But the last time I saw the dairy barn, my Uncle Elliot set it on fire because they were done with it and they were selling the land. So they torched the barn, and it was so hot that the power cables that were going down the street on the other side started dripping the plastic coating off the cables. Uncle Norman and various folks were very upset as they just set that whole barn on fire. Today, if you go across the street, there is an animal shelter there. Rutland County Animal Shelter is who my grandmother sold that land to.